Welcome back to the 7-Figure Mastery Beginners level. It's time for you to learn the steps on how to write simple and effective reviews that help generate those extra affiliate commissions. To put it simply, you need a review article to promote the product you've selected. You need a review article to be added into the one-page affiliate website to present both benefits and features. As an affiliate, you should focus more on the benefits. Features of the product are equally important, of course, but benefits are what most people are going for in a product. Have you ever heard of the saying, features tell, benefits sell? To get access to the review article, you need to get the review access from the product vendor, of course. Getting a review article is just an email away. Get to know your vendor. Email them about your intention and how you want to learn about the product before writing your review article. That's right, learn about the product. One of the common mistakes that most affiliates do is not learning about the product first before writing the review article. You should contact the product vendor for all the necessary information. Ask for a review copy or full access to the product. This is the alternative way to get access to the product. From JVZoo, choose the product that you want to promote and then click on Affiliate Details. The vendor will tell you what to do should you need information regarding the product for the review article. Writing your review article. You may not realize it at first, but a good review article can increase the conversion rate. That's right, review articles help increase the purchase rate through affiliate links. Here are some killer tips for you to write your own review article. Step 1. The key is to just keep it simple. Keep it within 300 to 500 words. Your review article should not exceed 500 words because anything more than that will not hold the attention span of your readers. Step 2, write it in the conversational form of me-to-you message. You don't have to be formal. Make it more personal and friendly. What's more, there's only 2 important points you should write for a review article: the pros and cons of the product. Be concise and straight to the point. Step 3. Additionally, you can insert the photo or screenshots of the products. For physical products, you can show different angles and measurement of the product. Once your vendor sees that you're putting in an effort to promote their product, you can hear the distant sound of extra commissions knocking on your door. Step 4. Insert your promotional video in your article. Upload it to YouTube to get a permanent link in case you need to use it for other related promotional sites. As for a physical product, you can make a demonstration video of the product to your prospect. Step 5. Set up your own site or page to upload your review writing and insert the affiliate link. As I've showed you earlier, WordPress is the easiest way to do this. You don't need any programming knowledge to utilize WordPress. Remember to host it with your own server. Don't use free blogs like example.wordpress.com. Register your own domain and server. Here are some examples for domain names, like somethingreview.com, somethingbonus.com, or somethingspecial.com.